So right now it's time for portrait photography, and I have put Rich into the worst possible position.
Without a hat.
Without the hat and the sun beating down in our face. Too many pictures are taken this way, and they don't have to be. If you will look for some shade, it would look so much better. Don't believe me? I'll prove it to you. Come on, Rich, let's walk over this way. Shade is where we look the best.
Yep.
A nice, flat, even, people-pleasing looks. And so when I go out to a place like this beautiful lake, I'd like to get a shot of you against the lake, and maybe we'll do that as well. But I know that I could get a really beautiful picture of you in the shade, which is like right over here. On the iPhone, we have two great ways to do this, either going to the photo tab or to portrait.
Shade gives us nice, even, soft light, minus those horrible raccoon eyes and big shadows that destroy our faces in the direct sunlight.
Sure. Have I sold you on shade?
Absolutely. You're not squinting, people look more relaxed. And even though to your eyes it looks dark, a camera accommodates the different light changes and it looks properly exposed.
And the people you're taking pictures of will really appreciate it, because when you put them in the direct sun, they are squinting big time. They're in pain.
So is that why my children are always yelling when I try to take their picture?
I think so. I'll show everybody the biggest, most common mistake in shooting portraits, whether that's on a city street, whether that's out at a park like we're at now. It's the old tree coming out of the head routine. So,
or telephone pole or flagpole.
Yeah, it is always seems to be a tree there, and they come out of your heads, and it's very frustrating. Right now, you've got two trees. You've got devil's horns right behind you. All I have to do is move you this way, and we're in way better shape. I don't have the tree. It's just be on the lookout for those trees, because they'll kill you.
One of the best hidden tools of the iPhone camera is portrait mode, of course, which allows you to blur the background and put the spotlight solely on your subject. It's pretty simple. Just compose and shoot. But you know what's really cool is an added bonus for after you take the shot.
When I'm growing up as a photographer and I'm taking a portrait of you and I shoot at 5.6 and I get home and I say, why did I shoot at 5.6? I could have shot at 2.8, but that's it. There's no going back. But on the iPhone, you actually have the opportunity to go in and fix the photo. Very simply, we can look at this together. It looks like a nice shot.
A little bit overdone on the blur.
And we're shooting at 1.6.
Yeah, so maybe 2.8 or 4.0.
Go down to... Yeah, just around there, 3.2 I think is nice.
Sure.
And then we press done.
And what about the lighting effect?
The lighting effect, let's do that. That's fantastic to have. The other one is studio light.
Mm-hmm. And that creates a little stronger shadows.
Yeah, it certainly looks more real.
Yep.
Then the next one is the black background.
Fake black background.
Too fake, doesn't look real. The white background, which can work. If you need a LinkedIn shot, this can work for you. You just have to adjust it a little bit. It's usually overexposed, so you definitely have to underexpose. Had you been smiling, maybe it could have worked.